Good afternoon, dear student friends. In last class, we already discussed about the endoplasmic reticulum. What is their structure? What are the components? And their number of functions. Today, we are going to discuss about the Golgi complex. So, what is the structure of Golgi complex? I think on the screen there is a display of Golgi apparatus. Golgi complex is also called as a Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. Another name is dictyosomes. There are four names. One is Golgi complex, Golgi apparatus, Golgi bodies, and dictyosomes. And let us study about what are the structural features of Golgi complex. Golgi complex is a stack of membranous flattened sac and vesicle concerned with cell secretion. It was found by Camillo Golgi. It consists of three components, namely cisternae, vesicle, and tubules. It was found by Camillo Golgi, hence the name is called as Golgi complex. And these three components are, let us study one by one. The first one is cisternae, second one is vesicles, and third one is tubules. I think these three names are familiar to you peoples because in last class endoplasmic reticulum, their components also three types: cisternae, vesicles, and tubules. The first one is cisternae. These are central flattened plate-like or saucer-like closed compartments which are held parallel bundles or stacks one above the other. Each cisternae is bounded by a smooth unit membrane with 7.5 nanometer in their thickness. I think in the diagrammatic representation of Golgi complex, see here, there is a saucer like or cup shaped or sac like stacks which are arranged one above another. Those cup like structure or saucer like structure, what is called as a cisternae. And margin of each cisternae are gently curved, like these are the curved like structure, so that the entire dictyosomes of Golgi apparatus takes a bowl-like appearance. That is what I explained you. That is a bowl-like or saucer-like or cup-shaped structure of Golgi apparatus due to presence of these parallel unbranched flattened stack-like structure or sac-like structures. Those are called as a cisternae. The cisternae at the convex end, I am telling here the convex and also the concave ends are there. Convex and also concave, the bowl like structure at their posterior part, so which is like a convex, and at the base of that bowl like structure which is like a concave like structure. See, the cisternae at the convex end of the dictyosome comprise proximal forming or cis face. It is also called as a cis face. And the cisternae at the concave end, at the basal region, concave end of the dictyosome comprise the distal maturing or trans phase. It is, the phase is called as a trans phase. Means cisternae or Golgi apparatus consist of, there are the two phase. One is cis phase, it is a convex part of the dictyosome, and trans phase, it is the concave part of the or concave end of the Golgi complex, or that is a cisternae. Then tubules, a complex array of associated vesicles and anastomizing tubules about 30 to 50 nanometer in their diameter, surrounded the dictyosome and radiate from it. Tubules are again branched structure like endoplasmic reticulum. We are already studied the tubules are highly branched structure, hence here also these are highly branched structure, and their diameter is varies here, that is about 30 to 50 nanometer in their diameter. Then another component, that is vesicle. These are spherical bodies. Of course, in endoplasmic reticulum also these are spherical bodies having the diameter is of 60 nanometer. There are three types of vesicles in Golgi complex, namely, one is a transitional vesicle, second one is a secretory vesicle, and the last one is the Clathrin vesicle. There are three types of vesicles found in the Golgi complex. One is a transitional, another one is a secretory, and one more is the Clathrin type of vesicles are present. This is all about the structure of what? Golgi complex. Then let us study about the functions. See, Golgi complex means the vesicles are often referred to as a traffic police. Remember the word. Why vesicles are called as a traffic police of the cell? They play key role in sorting many of the cells, proteins and membrane constituents, and in directing them to their proper destination. Movement of some secretory substances, movement of some proteins, some movement of some constituents, directing them to their proper destination means they give the definite pathway for the movement of these sorting cells, proteins, or that is a membranes constituents through their proper destination, hence these are called as a traffic police of the cell. Vesicles of Golgi complex are helps to release hydrolytic enzymes which help to intracellular digestion. Means whatever the type of phagosomes, means we are already studied in plasma membrane, the endocytosis are two types. One is pinocytosis and another one is the phagocytosis. This pinocytosis, it refers to cell drinking, and phagocytosis, it refers to cell eating. The food substances which is solid and also the liquid form comes in the cell in the form of vesicles which are undergo to digestion by means of intracellular digestion due to secretion of a kind of enzymes. Those enzymes are hydrolytic enzymes. They are released from the vesicles of Golgi complex. And the primary lysosomes, mainly the primary lysosomes are nothing but what? These are the suicide bags. Means they kills the some of the organelle and some of the antigens or some of the foreign bodies with the help of secretion of hydrolytic enzymes. Hence these primary lysosomes are formed by the Golgi bodies. Means Golgi complex is meant for the synthesis of primary lysosomes. And next function, Golgi apparatus is a center of reception, finishing, packaging and dispatch for a variety of materials in both plant and also animal cells. See what I am telling here, Golgi apparatus is a center of reception, finishing, packaging and also dispatch for a variety of materials in both plant and also animal cell. In plant cells, Golgi complex mainly involved in secretion of materials of primary and secondary cell wall. Remember, we are well known about the cell wall. Cell wall is consist of two layers. One is a primary layer and another one is the secondary layer. They are also called as a primary wall and a secondary wall. No, so those are having the composition. Those composition are secreted from the Golgi complex. Those substances are, one is a cycloprotein, lipid, protein, monomers of hemicellulose, cellulose, lignin and pectin. all these composition which are present in the cell wall, like in primary and also the secondary cell wall, they are secreted from the Golgi complex. And the next function is Golgi complex forms cell plate. See, it is a rectangular shape of cells which are undergo to divide by means of mitosis or that is a meiosis. At the time of anaphase stage or in telophase stage, there is a slightly cytokinesis is happens. At the time of completion of their cell division, during that time, in between the two daughter cells, there is a formation of a cell plate with the help of Golgi complex. That is what the Golgi complex forms cell plate during cell division of plant cells. One cell is undergo to divide, it produces the two cells. For the formation of two cells, in that there is a formation of a cell plate in between the two daughter cells, which is formed by means of this Golgi complex. In animal cells, it acts as a packaging center of the cell and exocytosis of materials. See, it is the packaging center of the cell, means the commonly this Golgi complex is called as a packaging center of cells. So because of it packages the materials which are in the form of hydrolytic enzymes, which are stored in the form of spherical bodies, are called as vesicles. So those packaging center of the cell, the exocytosis of some of the materials, those materials are here. One is zymogen, is a kind of enzyme which is secreted from the pancreatic cells. And the next one is the mucus from the goblet cell. Means it is a exocytosis, means it is a comes out from the goblet cells. And mammary glands, it secretes the lactoprotein. And melanin pigment, which is secreted from the skin cells. And yolk and vitelline membranes, which are secreted from the oocytes. So these secretory substances are comes out from these following cells, in the form of vesicles they are come out. Hence it is called as a packaging center of the cell. So this is all about the structure and also the functions of what Golgi complex. See, the structures in that, there are the mainly three components. And what is their cell structure, the organelle structure of this Golgi complex, and what are the components of Golgi complex. In functions, there are mainly important functions are it acts as a trophic police, it acts as a packaging center of the cell, it produces the cell plate during the time of cell division in the plant cells, and mainly it is helpful for the intracellular digestion, and these are meant for the formation of lysosomes, or primary lysosomes are formed by the activity of this Golgi bodies. This is all about the functions of what Golgi complex. Thank you.